This is my Sharp ES-GDD9144W0 Washer Dryer that I'm testing for AO. Now you can see that it has a really nice big drum, and it actually can hold up to 9 kilograms for washing and 6 for drying. But it actually does change the amounts depending on which program you're selecting. So you can see there's a very large amount of programs. This is the first time I've tried it, so I'm testing out the jet wash and dry right now to get some work clothes that I need washed for tomorrow. And since I've been gone for the last hour, I've actually tried the pause function because I just want to make sure that it's working all right and there's not going to be any problems with it. So I'm going to unpause this right now. Just push the start pause button and it's going back to its spinning. You can see that it shows you the settings for temperature, spin speed, and drying function. So I'm going for covered dry. It shows where at in the program it's at, time remaining, and then down here you have a bar, a status bar that will show you where you're at. And you also sometimes have the option to be able to open the door, and there is, if you can't, it will show that it's locked. The program buttons are along the bottom, and they seem to be working all right. Some of them have been a little touchy to me, and I think I just need to figure out where exactly they go. The settings have a very nice variety, and I've been very impressed with all of the different settings so that you could do things like your duvets. There's also a setting for your curtains, and the drum contains sensors so that you can actually see how much of a load you can have depending on which program you've selected. And if you have too much in, it will tell you, so that way you're not overloading your machine, and it will adjust the time and water level according to the amount that you have in your machine. So it's very energy efficient. It has an A rating, and it also is good for those with allergies. There is an allergy setting with your rinse, so that can be very useful if you have very young children, or you or someone in your household has sensitive skin. And I'm really looking forward to seeing how well the washing and drying is once it's completed. Thus far I've been impressed with how it's working, and if you listen, it actually isn't very loud even though it's currently spinning. So far seems like a really good machine, and I'm looking forward to putting it through its paces and seeing how well my clothes come out in about an hour.